This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Welcome to the beautiful Tropical Cove townhouse community where you'll feel like you're on vacation every day. Spacious kitchen with recessed lighting, solid surface counters will delight the chef of the home. Indoor laundry room connects to the garage. The open floor plan flows nicely between the dining and living spaces, which both have sliders that lead to the screened-in patio. Upstairs master suite features a walk-in closet, shower with separate jetted tub for ultimate relaxation. Nice pool and playground make this a nice community for families. Close to shopping, Port Canaveral, the beaches and easy access to 528. Come see this gym today. Owner will consider pets. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.